One day, 200,000 bottles, high quality. This is Macwell Smart Engineering. With 15 years of experience and 500 plus global partners, Macwell is your trusted expert in sauce production. Mayonnaise, ketchup, and over 100 kinds of sauces can all be produced in Macwell's equipment. Let's see. Step 1. Grinding, fast and efficient. We process 500 kilograms per hour to create a smooth and perfect base. Step 2. Emulsifying, the heart of production. Macwell gives you 360-degree heating and plus or minus 1 degree Celsius precision. No separation, just perfect sauce. Step 3. Storage. Keep your secret recipe fresh. Our smart tanks ensure less than 0.3% flavor loss. Step 4. Filling and checking. High precision with plus or minus 1% filling accuracy. Pure safety for your customers. Step 5. Packaging. Strong sealing and perfect labeling within plus or minus 0.5 millimeter. Macwell makes your brand look professional. Distance is never a problem. Macwell provides full remote guidance and professional installation support to ensure your line runs perfectly anywhere in the world. From raw materials to final bottles, build your smart factory with Macwell today.